Today's featured car of the day is a 1965 Rambler Ambassador 990 two-door coupe. This one I filmed at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, where it only bid to $14,000, but did not sell, which I think $14,000 for it was probably a good price. Ramblers do go cheap compared to other cars, but this one was a real nice one. Looks like it was a two-owner, had the 327 V8 with a four-barrel with the Borg-Warner three-speed automatic. That was the biggest engine you can get in a car in that year. And it had power steering, power brakes, and tilt wheel, which was nice. When the second owner purchased it, it was basically mostly original. The dash was in excellent condition with no cracks. Headliner and carpet were in good original condition. The exterior was taken to bare metal and repainted with a high-quality base coat, clear coat finish in red with the white hardtop, which looks real good. It's a good-looking car. The original bumpers were replated, and all the metal trim was either polished or chromed. And the car runs and drives very smoothly. Too many parts to replace the list. So, in Rambler money, it was probably the money for the car, but in real money, compared to what you get for $14,000, you don't get a whole lot. So it was a fantastic deal compared to that, and would have been a great car to put an LS motor in, or some other, or a Coyote motor or something, just to make a resto mod out of it, because you just don't see many of them. They only made 5,034 two-door hardtops in 1965. So that was, it's a fairly rare car, and it was a good-looking car. The 65 was the fifth generation for the Rambler Ambassador. It only went from 65 to 66, and then in 1967 they went to the bigger models, which look even better. So that might be what hurt the price a little bit as well. But it was a good-looking car. It probably should have brought more money, but I don't blame the owner for not selling it, because I'm sure he had way more than 14 grand in it. So, but anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1965 Rambler Ambassador 990 two-door hardtop coupe. But thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, I appreciate it. And we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.